Yeah, guys, we're gonna open this one.
Yeah, I'm so
We
excited
are
about
on
that.
GP's playroom.
That one I'm playing. I'm baking, right, guys? Oh, great job, Mama.
Oh, what?
Great job.
Great job, Kadiharo. There you go. And this is for
3 years old boys.
for age 4. Like
Yeah.
4 years old. This is almost 4, so we're gonna do this. And
Well,
let's see what it's gonna be.
it's going to be wood.
Oh wow, these are woods. So
Oh, you need to put this up together. I guess you need to stick. Yeah, it's got something here. I can see. Yeah, it's got screws. Instruction. Where's the instruction? Yeah, they have this kind of. Down here. I know, it's this one. Yeah, but you're gonna buy those kind of things. So we're gonna put this together. This is a screwdriver. So we're gonna fix it. Mama gonna be daddy today. So here's
I'm
Mama.
gonna be daddy. Get the trash. And we're gonna put this up. We're gonna put this up. Where's the instruction? No, don't open it yet. We need the instruction.
Instruction?
I
I
don't
know
see the instruction.
instruction.
I did not see the instruction, so I don't know what to do.
I know instruction.
No, it didn't have instruction.
I've got this instruction.
Mhm.
I need to write.
Don't have the instruction, so we're just gonna do this.
What?
Move. And let me see. It don't have any instruction, so we're gonna put the screw. Oh, the instruction is right here inside the screw.
Yeah.
Inside the screws. So we need daddy screwdrivers. So they have A, B, A, B. So we need this and this one backwards. And we need
Roo. I'm going to help you, Mama.
you're gonna what?
Help you.
Help me.
That's a great idea, helping.
Really?
Yeah.
That's a really great idea.
Yeah.
And we're gonna put
One, two,
oh.
I got four
And this
sides.
is for the side. I think this is for the top. Yep. So you can just this you can fold in.
Oh, yeah. Cool.
Yeah, see. You can put it right here.
Yeah.
We need a screwdriver. Let me get the screwdriver first. Don't touch it, okay?
Okay.
We're gonna get the screwdriver first.
Right here.
Ayan, we got the screwdriver.
Screwdriver. Oh,
And we're gonna put this together.
I'm going to move this. I'm going to help you. I'm going to hold this with the tip. This thing.
And we're gonna put this here. Like this. And what? We need the F.
F?
Where's the F?
F, G.
F is got this. This one. We need the 4.
Or favoring tape. Ring it. Not a great idea. When you're done doing that, you put this on. Oh, my great job. Ow.
Be careful.
Okay, I'm going to hold this a minute.
Ayan. Tapos ikabit natin yung isa. Ikabit natin tong isa.
Guys, I step on this and Mama can use it. I step on that and all day. I leave them on together with together. Mama, look, see. It's too bad. I got straight lines there. Oh, wee. Wee. Not going to get stronger. You do it like the folder. Oh, oh. I'm giving for you. Mommy, when you finish, look. Back.
Ah, hindi siya tama. Ang hirap. Tingnan natin.
Little cheese. Be careful with it. Be careful with that, Mama.
Mas mabilis siya.
Lower wind. Lower wind in there.
Oh, aray ko. Init.
Ay, Caraco. A burn.
Init, ang init.
It's burn, Mama.
I know. Init niya.
Init to. Don't burn you, Mama.
Ang init.
Mama, you burn yourself.
Ayoko na gamitin to.
Don't use it again.
No, I'm not using it again. It's burnt.
Burnt?
Yeah, hindi ako marunong gumamit nun. Kaya yung gagamitin natin, manual na lang.
That's very, very hot.
I know. Kaya magmamanual na
Don't
lang.
use
tayo,
that
guys.
again. It's dangerous.
It's dangerous.
Yeah. Guys, it's dangerous. That's why I burnt. That thing is burnt where my finger threw last night. On my thumbs. Yeah, guys. That was a whip. Guys, I have my toys here.
Give me another one. Yeah, that burnt me.
The boy burned you.
Yeah, it's burnt my finger.
Yeah,
It's hurt.
that's why I don't use this thing.
Don't use that thing.
Uh-huh.
That thing burnt me.
Yeah, use the other one, guys. Use the new this one. This one is very, very hot one. Burnt up. Yeah, guys, don't use this one. Don't use it again. Don't use this again, guys. They're going burnt. And this again is look. Here.
And we need
This.
wait. It's hurt.
I burn my finger too.
Where does this go?
This thing too. Go. Go. You know I can find this thing on map.
A letter B. Where's the B?
Right back here.
Wait.
C, D, E,
E,
F,
F, G.
G, F, E. Two letter.
We need the F.
What? F. F, puppy.
How we put this? So we're gonna put it like this. You can fold it up.
So I can paint no, guys. I put the This guy's strong.
Don't step on it, please.
Why?
Because you might hurt your foot.
No, I got foot. Socks. Ow. Green.
This is hard.
Hard game?
Hard.
Hard game, Mama?
Mm-hmm.
Hard this game?
What are you doing?
I'm doing this. Not good. This game. Out the running. Out the running? Out the running. Out the running. Out the running. Look at that. Hello.
Ayan, you can fold it and put up na. And what the next? What the next? We can put the board. Where's the board? The letter C. This one.
Here, Mama.
4 times. We're gonna put it where it goes, right here.
Oh, look, X. Look, X.
We can put it
Mama, X.
a screw. Is it out? In or out?
In.
Out, in. So it's gonna be like this. In or out sana. Okay, sa'yo.
Mama, look, X.
Yep, this is the screw. You're gonna put this. Ayan, nalak na natin. Uy,
So sorry. Look, X. X. Xy. I find the X guy with the brick. There's a brick, Mama. Wood. I find it. I find X with the wood. With the wood. I know when can do this. X will start with you. I started with a baby, then a liquor. And here, out, and here, gotta put some letters. No letters.
ayan, babalik pa rin natin.
That one.
Baliktad.
Look that.
Baliktad.
Look that. You don't know what the floor, Mama.
The what?
You don't know the floor. You don't know what the floor is.
What? Why did you put it there? It's not supposed to be there. Where's the other one?
This way. 3. Go up. Mommy help. Mommy help. I can throw here. Whoa!
Here it is.
Mama, here.
Mm.
Go see here.
It says here. Right here. Uy, be careful with that.
Go inside. The one I did it.
Uy. Baliktad man siguro to. Yeah, it's got something here. It's got a hole. This one, the hole is outside, so this is backwards. This is backwards, so this one, we need to take it off. We need to take it back. It's backwards. It's supposed to have a hole.
One hole?
Yeah, it's baliktad.
One half hole here.
Yeah, it's supposed to have a hole. Right there.
Need my truck. Ethan.
Almost.
Whoa.
Be careful with that thing. The other side.
Whoa. Wow. I said, oh. Guys, I'm not getting bed finger. Now I'm to bed. This side.
It's hard to assemble this thing.
Yeah, simple. Simple's the thing.
Wait. I'm not finished yet.
Finish.
The other one.
Here.
Where's the screw?
Broken Caesar.
Where's the other screw? Don't play with that, please.
A broken Caesar.
Mm-hmm.
That might broke.
Give me that.
I'm going to put it in here. That one hackle. This side one. No, this one put in. Oh, it's small and I get this. Oh. Okay. Okay.
Hindi pala ba siya? Hindi siya tight. I need to tight it up. Need to push it. There you go.
Here you go. Here you go. Come center top.
Okay.
Yay!
Where's the other one of these?
Right here. Piece of paint. Where's paint? Paint. 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 Mama, paint. Paint. I'm ready to paint.
You're ready to paint. Where's your eraser? The one inside.
Here.
He's ready to paint. He's gonna try this paint.
Yeah, it's work or not? Washable paint. Washable paint. Ah,
We use this one.
it's this one.
No, you cannot paint that one. You put it right here. And you clip this one. This is a clip.
Lip.
Now you can draw it. You cannot go this one.
Why?
Because it's not something that you can erase. So you can paint that one with pencil, with crayon. You're gonna have this one.
Blue.
It's watercolor.
Water? Oh, blue. Oh, blue. It's blue. It's white.
I'm gonna put water on it.
Little bit.
I know. You need to put water in it. It says watercolor. Oh, you got water here? A little bit. Okay, then
Mix it. Oh, blue. And bake. Oh, on my hands.
Then get your wipes.
Where are wipes? Where are wipes?
Right there.
Oh, I'm going to take Oh, take off.
Let me put in a little bit. Shake. Wait.
Massive. Mama, I need to little make a suck. I need little.
But we need to get a water to wash these. Just leave it there, okay? I'm gonna get the water. We are done assembling our thing. It's over there in the corner together with his. We are in his playroom. We're in his playroom. See, he can play, he can write, and he can draw in here now.
Yeah.
It's everything in here. It's a playroom, but this is a, what is this, JP? Attic. This is attic. This is attic that we made a playroom. See, he got colorful game going on.
Mama,
Yes.
I'm going to show guys
Oh, see,
painting.
he already paint. No. Right
I'm
there.
show.
Yeah. He paint that. He said he paint that one.
Yeah, mine right for Mama. It's for you, Mama.
Oh, thank you. See, it's for me. He said it's for me. And they got all of this sticker.
Mama,